What's up guys, it's your boy Fly.view with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you two apps that I found recently. There are some apps that will pay you for playing games, and you'll be, that's sketchy, maybe a scam. Well, they are not. I tried them, and I'm sharing with you. They are not a scam, and I actually used them. I have the proof from payment and everything. So, why not give it a try? First app is Cashemall. As it says, play game, win free gift cards. You guys come here in the Play Store, you got some videos, you got some image saying that you'll get paid in PayPal and Amazon. I actually chose PayPal because it was like fast, actually it didn't take much, like in the same day that I got paid. I just tried them. So both apps are literally from the same company, I think, because they are literally the same. So we'll go right into it and open this one, Cashemall, as you guys can see. So, in the features section from this app, you'll get some games. You download the game, you open the game, and as it says in here, you'll get 462 coins per minute. Now, it doesn't mean that I'll get 462 coins always, for every minute, like for 1 hour, 2 hours. They will change, like the first minute you'll get 462 coins, the next minute you'll have 460, and so on, depending. As you guys can see here, another app that I have to play 707 seconds to get 1,177 coins, which is basically good. Like this one pays 462 per minute, this one was maybe 700 per minute at the beginning, and then the time gets higher and it's more difficult to get coins. But you guys can always download new games and just leave them open like I did. Now I don't have much games here in the featured section. This is one thing that I want to tell you, I want to advise you. Don't uninstall the games that you download in the featured section, because I didn't like the games and I was like, okay, maybe I'll get some other game. Maybe I'll get Fortnite, PUBG, I don't know. Well, those games won't appear. So if you want to get the highest rating for being paid, don't download and then uninstall the first games that you have. Just install them and leave them open. That was a mistake that I did. I actually didn't do the same because I'm using my main phone just sometimes, but I have two old Android phones, two old Samsungs that I use just to put games, and in them I have highest paid games on them installed, and I will not uninstall them because they are making me money, like 2,000 coins per 1,000 seconds or something like that. So it's really an advice, don't uninstall those games if you want to make coins. Now, it's pretty simple. If you want to play these games, you have to come to the app first and then open the game. The game will open, and by this time the app will automatically start counting. So you don't need to do anything. If you have or you're familiar with Misplay or GamerHack, you can also use GamerHack for computer. These two apps are only for tablets or for phones, and you'll get paid by the time that you open the app and not by levels or by unlocking certain type of things in games. So it's really simple, you don't need to do anything, anyone can do it. You can put your kids to play it, your small brother, and you can literally just share with your friends, family, because if you send this app to your friends and family, you'll actually both earn 25% of the coins that both earn. So it's a plus, why not? Just share it, everyone use it, you get 25% extra. Also, you can use the link in the description to download this game from the Play Store and give me 25% from the coins that you win, and I will give you 25% from the coins that I win. So why not? Here guys, you can see the payout. As you guys can see, I don't have much coins in this because this is my main phone, but we can make 50 cents for 4,999 coins, all the way up to 20 euros for 182,667 coins. You can be paid by PayPal, Amazon, iTunes, and Zalando. Now, I'm not sponsored by these apps, so I actually tried them and I made the payouts. So let's go into my PayPal. I'm going to prove to you that they paid. Here you have it. I received €1 from the user just dies, and you receive the payout. So €1, and I have tried also with 50 cents first, so you have it, payment received 50 cents, payment received €1. So they work. Now, you can also check your history, and here you have it. Like, my friends have made some coins and I got 25% from their coins. 144 coins, 84 coins. In this app I lived it the whole night. Look, 7,600 coins, 2,900 coins, just literally, I didn't play these games. 4,300 coins, 1,000 payout, €1. Another friend, my friends, 6,000 coins, more coins, more coins, more coins. Another payout, and a welcome bonus. If you use the link in the description, you'll get 4,444 coins, which is around 45 cents, I guess. And then you download one game and you have 50 cents, and you can do it like me. Just download the app, download the game, get the coins enough to make a payout, and you can get 50 cents literally for free, just in minutes. Now, this is one app. You can see my profile. Let's go to the second app. There is Coinpop, and as you guys can see, the game that pops up in the first featured section is actually the same. Now, the app seems a little bit different, the interface is a little bit different, because I think that there are actually three apps: AppStation, Coinpop, and Cashemall. I'm using only Cashemall and Coinpop because they are the most easy for me to use, but you can also try AppStation. And here I also have my friends giving me coins. You can check the history on everything of them. Welcome bonus, 4,444 coins. Kind of difficult to read. So you want to pay, you come to payouts, and you have PayPal again. Same amount of coins, all up to €20. Amazon, iTunes, Zalando. Featured games, my apps. I have Memphis City, only have this game because I only installed all the other games, and now I barely have games on these apps. So don't do it as me. But this one pays more, 772 coins. So at the beginning, of course, it was less seconds to the same coins, but now it's getting higher and higher. And you have the invite section. Now, when you go to the payout, if you make a payout for the first time, they will ask you for some biometric security, and they ask for a selfie, so they can actually prove that is you, and they need to verify your account. So at the beginning, when you register in these apps, I tried, so you cannot make like 1,000 accounts and using 1,000 phones, like, or BlueStacks if you are thinking about it. I just put it to get you some passive income. Well, you can try it, but you'll not be able to, because I tried and make some new Facebook accounts, and of course they didn't allow me because Facebook accounts are not old enough or they have enough data. Also same with Google. I also had another account from Google and they didn't allow me to use. They only allowed me to use my main Facebook account and my main Google account, so I can actually get paid. Now, as I said, I'm not sponsored by them, but why not? If you guys have a smartphone or an extra smartphone, an old one at home, why not put it to make some money for you? Everyone is going into crypto and everything, everyone is mining. But yeah, maybe you're mining like 13 cents a day. Why not use this app and make like €1 a day, €2 a day? Depends. Why not? Just give it a try. It's nothing hard. It's simple. Push a button, leave the app open, and that's it. So, hope I could help you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share with your family and friends, register with the link down below, download the app, or send to them to invite your family, invite your friends, put them all together, enjoy the 25% coins that you will get, they will get. So why not? Give it a try. Hope I could help. See you guys next time. Cheers.